Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tip Tricks and Tech. Today we're going to do a video for my son. He wanted to show you guys his new mini brand. We're going to open box our new mini brand Series 5. Alright, so he sees so many videos on YouTube and his channel. So he so badly wanted to do his open boxes mini brand in my channel. So that's why we're doing this video. So we're going to open this mini brand and check out what's inside. There's surprise 5 things inside this mini brand, surprising thing. So we'll go and check this out, right? Let's go check it out. So let's open this mini brand. To open this, it is fully wrapped like a ball. To open this, there is a side here like a zipper. You can just put your nails in. It's a little harder to open, but it's open. Okay, now Ethan will take the rest of it.
Why is it that?
It's still stuff, so you need my help. Let me open shortly. Okay, now you can open. Here you go.
More?
Yeah, more. That was too fast. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's open that. There you go. So that's open the cover. Okay, it's open the cover.
Whoa, mini.
Why you say that? Okay.
What is that? I don't get it.
Okay, you go.
There we go.
So that opens one cover. So one more cover inside. So that's just the outside wrapper. We opened first wrapper. Now the second wrapper. It's a clear wrapper. Then same thing. There's a cut here, small cuts like a thing. Let me open a little bit for you. Then you can pull it one check. Okay, now there you go. That's open the outside wrapper, and the white bowl comes out, right? So it's a white bowl. Now you gotta show them. Wait, see, there's a cover right here. There's like a cap. You have to lift it up. Also, there's in the bottom. There's no cover. It just connects all the white balls. So let's open this top thing.
I think I can.
You don't have to bite it. Oh wow, yeah. Ethan is not strong enough, so you need to bite it. Huh? That comes out the rubber piece. You save it. Wait 1 second. He's so excited, so he wanted to open so badly. So we have 5 things here. So each slices has, it's like a slice of like orange peeled, put together. That makes a bowl. And each slices has something hidden inside, right? So we will open one by one and check it out what's inside. So you open one.
Whoa.
Wow, what's inside?
I don't know what it is.
Wow, the first one opens.
Animal crackers, like it has details.
Nice. So
I got
it's
this in
animal
Terrorize.
cracker. Oh yeah, he saw it on Terrorize. See, this is what the problem. We watch so much videos like Terrorize and things like that. So he want this thing
What?
to buy. Anyway, so yeah, second
Hershey's.
one. All right, second.
I got it.
Hershey's. The second one, he didn't want to wait, so he went for the second one. The second one opened Hershey's. The third one, what is that?
Ice pops again?
Ice pops again. We got that already. Oh, we had this ice pop before. We opened one earlier, so that's ice popsicle. That's on the third one. Okay, and then the fourth one. Oh wow! Oh nice. We never had it. What is that? Oh, lemonade. Yeah, it's like a lemonade, like a drink thing.
I saw this in the on the list.
Okay, good. Now, last one. Don't bite it. Alright, yeah, what you do? Let me help you.
Got it.
There you go. Okay. Okay, the fifth one and the last one.
I got 2.
No, 2. That is the, what is that? Oh, Dum Dums. That's like a candy thing. And the list of things that can get, that you can collect on this mini brand toys. So pretty much, this is, none of them are edible. It's just a little, like dummy things, but the smaller version of all these dummy things. So we got 5 things. So let's check it out. We got, what do we got? We got animal crackers. We have Dum Dums. We have Hershey's. We have ice popsicle. Then we have light lemonade thing. So if you want it, you can all put it back together inside to save it. But you know, this is like this costs about I think how much is it? Yeah, comes to 2. Comes 2 in a box. It costs about $13. I will put the link in the description if you want to buy it, so you can play with your kids. This thing is kind of addicting for the kids. because it's so excitement for them to open this mystery boxes to check it out what's inside. None of them are edible, but it's fun to collect. So we have about this is the third one we opened so far, right?
Yes.
We have third one and we have 2 more to open. And yeah,
Empty.
that's empty now, and then we can put this thing back and make us a ball. Let me put it back. Hold on. Let me help you. Hold on. Oh yeah, pull that thing up. Good.
Okay.
So let's put the rubber back in. Okay, so we put it back, the rubber thing back, and it's like a ball. We made the ball back, and we got all this thing, and that's the garbage. And
Put
this
it
is
on
what,
truck.
yeah, this is what we got it for the mini bag, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say bye.
Uh,
Okay. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like these videos, please share with your friends and families. And if you have kids, definitely they will like this video, right, Jitu?
Yes.
Alright, so if you want to buy one of these, I'll put a link in my description. You can buy from there. So we will come with another video soon. Till then, it's Ethan and Elders. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.